Yeah, welcome guys to Vinsley Adventures. Today we're gonna adventure through the tech. Samsung, one of the best producers of technology in this world, I know that. And I'm gonna check out the Samsung Galaxy A03, and the features so good. The internal is 32 GB, the RAM is 3, and for the pixels very well. They have good features like for the camera there's an extra feature that is for Pro, which has a blur version of it. So good, so I think I will recommend it to many people, as the price is also so good. You know, Samsung price and the phone quality are always best. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, you like for more reviews, for more features. This is a start and the beginning, doesn't mean it's the end. So continue liking, following, continue subscribing, and yeah, I'll be doing more.